I'm Melissa Crava. I am the Pharmacy Technician Program Director. I've been in this position since 2018. I'm also a graduate of the program. I graduated in 2000 and have had 25 years of experience as a technician now. Our program aims to train our pharmacy technicians to be applicable to any point of industry, so retail, hospital, nuclear pharmacy, and we have a unique delivery model. We are high flex, so we have traditional students here on campus doing the full college experience. We have students that are working full-time and they live stream into our classrooms, and we also have students that are completely self-paced and watch the recordings of our lectures for our program, so it's very flexible and can meet anyone's need. Our pharmacy technician students find employment quite often from their internship sites. Historically, we do have a very high placement rate and a large demand. One of my favorite things that I get to do is see the future technicians of our region go out and meet their goals and career needs.